In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero API Error 500 step by step using practical troubleshooting methods that actually work in 2026. If you're integrating with the Xero API and suddenly start seeing a 500 internal server error, don't panic. This error usually means something went wrong on the server side, but in many cases, it's triggered by request patterns, payload issues, or temporary outages. I'll walk you through exactly how to diagnose and fix it properly. And if this video helps you solve your issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more developer-focused tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first method you should always try is the wait and retry strategy. A 500 error can sometimes be temporary. Xero servers may be under load or briefly unstable. When this happens, the worst thing you can do is continuously spam the API with repeated requests. Instead, immediately stop sending requests for at least 60 seconds. Give the server time to recover. After that pause, retry the exact same request. Do not modify the payload yet. Keep it identical so you can confirm whether the issue was temporary. If it fails again, wait briefly and retry up to 3 times maximum. If one of those retries succeeds, then you are likely dealing with a transient server issue. In production environments, you should implement exponential back-off retry logic to automate this safely. However, if the request continues to fail after 3 attempts, then the issue is probably related to your data. That brings us to step 2. Next, audit your request for data edge cases. Many Xero API 500 errors are caused by unexpected characters or unusual payload structures. Start by checking text fields such as description or reference. Remove emojis, special symbols, or hidden null characters. These sometimes slip in when data is copied from external systems. Make sure all strings are properly encoded in UTF-8. Then check the size of your payload. If you are sending invoices with 500 or more line items, try splitting them into smaller batches. Large payloads can sometimes trigger server processing failures. Break them into multiple invoices and test again. Also validate your account types carefully. For example, ensure you are not attempting to post bank transactions to fixed asset accounts or using account codes that do not match their expected transaction type. Even if your request structure looks correct, mismatched account types can cause unexpected server errors. After cleaning and validating your data, resend the request and monitor the response. If you've verified your retry logic and cleaned your payload, but you're still getting a 500 error, the next step is to monitor for regional outages. Open your browser and go to status.xero.com. This is Xero's official system status page. Look for any notices labeled degraded performance or investigating. Make sure you check the region your organization is hosted in. Sometimes only specific regions are affected. If the status indicator is not green, the issue may be on Xero's side and you'll need to wait until the incident is resolved. If the status page shows everything is operational and green, then the problem is likely specific to your integration, your tenant, or your data. At this stage, you should also log the full response body from Xero's API. Even when the status code is 500, the response may include additional diagnostic information. Capture correlation IDs if available, and store detailed logs so you can escalate to Xero support if necessary. Having request IDs significantly speeds up troubleshooting. To recap, first implement a proper wait and retry strategy with a 60-second pause and up to 3 retries. Second, audit your data for edge cases, including emojis, null characters, oversized payloads, and incorrect account types. Third, check status.xero.com for regional outages and confirm whether the issue is system-wide or isolated. Following these 3 steps will resolve the majority of Xero API 500 errors. If this video helped you fix your Xero API Error 500, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more API troubleshooting guides, developer tutorials, and integration tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.